The live images leak happened twice over the weekend. Firstly, images of the alleged Pixel 4a with a fabric case were shared on Reddit, who goes by the username MSEVEN97, citing a Pixel Facebook group as the source of images. The images were later tweeted by TechDroider. The hands-on images of the handset without the fabric case were shared again by TechDroider on Twitter, courtesy of Raúl Diaz Perez. Judging by the placeholder in the place of Google logo, it is likely that these images are from one of those prototype units of the handset. The previously speculated punch hole display, a 3.5mm headphone jack, a physical fingerprint scanner, and a single rear camera with square camera bump are present on these images as well. The leaked images comply with the design renders shared by Onleaks, and hence, it is possible that we might be looking at the Pixel 4a after all.